Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix runtime errors on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. I'm just going to share to you a very simple resolution for this. So in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Do not forget to run the command as an administrator so that it will work. Now in this block window, administrator command prompt, type here this command as sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now. It's the system file checker scan, hit enter. So this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window, and we are just going to wait for this in a while so that we can run the second command next to it, okay? Now once done, we need to type the second command. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image while the process is going on. Again, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. Then if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the error or during the process, you can just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard, and that will help you for the process to continue. And once the process has been completed or is successful, simply close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.